You, you, and you all are fired. And you are getting promoted. Can you explain me how did you get promoted?
Simple, because I've been using ChatGPT and other AI tools, I'm being able to do all of that work single-handedly.
And who taught you all this?
This guy.
We are going to see how we can remove a specific column from an Excel sheet. Okay, this is the example which I'll be showing you. Okay, we have employee ID, name, age, location, and SSN is nothing but social security number. Okay, you may think, is it easy, right? Right click, and if you click this delete button, it may work. So what is the means needed to do with the help of ChatGPT? Yeah, this is going to help the software engineers or the persons who will be in their tech responsibilities, like who are going to do their day-to-day activities in coding. So for those type of people, this is going to help, because definitely they may think how to draft a code. Okay, they need to do lot of searches, and then they need to find, then based on the searches, they need to segregate the code which is correct, and for that it will take more time. Okay, but this chat gpt is going to make our life easy. So we will be using Google Colab and Python, okay, for this work to happen. Okay, so imagine, guys, okay, your client is giving you some data. Okay, so do you think client will not send each and every Excel sheet like in the email or in WhatsApp type of thing? If they need some big chunk of requirement, what they will do means some jobs will run, and in the jobs they will make such that only the portion of data has to be sent to service, means like third parties who are going to do their processing. Okay, for example, some XYZ bank, okay, they are going to send, they are unable to do their service, so they are giving a portion of work to a third party. Okay, some MNC, okay, they are giving. So when they are sending this type of documents, they won't do manually, like send the document, right click. They will do some jobs. Okay, the jobs will be running in production. We will make the job such that they will tune the jobs, or they will educate with the help of programming. They will make such that the SSN should not be sent to the third party. Okay, is a policy violation, or not only SSN, some of the other documents which it is not record for the third party. Okay, for example, their employee ID may not be record for the third party. For sometimes the third party may need not to know what is the salary of a XYZ. So in those type of time, we must know how to develop a code such that this activity, some particular portion of columns can be removed. Okay, so now I have told you, okay, what is the reason for this. Now we are going to do the same part in coding, okay, with the help of ChatGPT. So I'm closing this window, okay, so that if I add this sheet to the ChatGPT, it will create issues. Okay, so here is the ChatGPT part, and this I'm closing it. Okay, so I'm going to ChatGPT. Now I'm going to give this sheet. Okay, this is the remove columns, the name of the thing. Now I need to give the proper prompt. Okay, I can give remove the entire column SSN present in sheet 1 in remove column sheet. Okay, columns, what is that column sheet is .xls, right? If we give with proper extension, it will make our life easy. It will not ask back any other command. Let's see. All right, I'll read the Excel file and remove the SSN from sheet 1 and then modify it, then save the modified file. Even if that SSN is not there also, it will give the part. Okay, so okay, so before we are entering into the coding, I would request you guys, okay, join our workshop because I hope you are enjoying it. Okay. So if you would like to know much more information about AI tools like GitHub Copilot, GitHub Copilot Chat, Debug Code.ai, those are all the tools that will help the programmers, developers to make their code quick. Okay. So if you are interested, join our workshop, okay, at a minimal price from the link given in the below description. Okay. You will really enjoy. Okay. It will make your life so easy, especially a developer point of view. Not only from developer, there are various tools and non-techie also can enjoy. Okay. Like, so those type of features are available in our LMS. You will really be benefited. Okay. So I am taking this part, copy the code. This is my Google Colab. This is my location where this remove column sheet is there. So that location I'll paste over here. Now I'm pasting. So if you would like to know what this code is doing, you can like paste this code in the Google Colab, or sorry, you can paste this code in the ChatGPT and ask, okay, can you explain me? It will explain you what each and every code is doing. Okay. So this is my location. Since it has given its own file, so I need to change it. Okay. And similarly, right, output path also same. Okay. What it is doing, it is reading the file, and it is removing the file, removing the column, and then it is placing it in a new location. Better, I will keep it in the same location. Okay. Existing location with a new file name. Okay. This is the remove columns, which you have given in our input file. Okay. So it is doing, imagine guys, if you are in a situation, imagine this code is not there. Okay. You don't know about this code. Okay. You can bring it, but you would have made a lot of Google search and you might have got it, right? It would have took your time. Okay. Just for removing one column, you would have made some other like ILOC reference modification you might have used, or where some other techniques like trapping, padding, like that you might have used. But with the help of this AI tool, how quickly it has brought the result, guys. Okay. So I am executing. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, the file is available. Simple thing. So in this location, the output path, it has been mentioned. So I'm going to this location, my directory. Let's see. Yeah. See, now additional file has come, modified remove columns. Let me open. The SSN field should not be there. Yeah, great. Hats off to ChatGPT. See, until the location is there, we have not given the SSN. Okay. So that is the advantage of this ChatGPT, guys. Okay. And I hope you liked this session. Okay. And keep working. Instead of one columns, I would request you to delete two columns and keep checking. And you will come to know the various features available in ChatGPT. Okay. So once again, if you find this tutorial helpful, join our workshop at a minimal price from the link given in the below description. See you in the next video, guys. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care.